Hey there, welcome to today's guide on squashing that annoying OBS encoding error. You've probably seen this frustrating message pop up. Encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video settings or using a faster encoding preset. No worries, I'm here to help you tackle this head-on. First off, let's navigate OBS. Head to the top left of your screen, click on File, then Settings. We're diving into the Output section. Then change your output mode to Simple. And here's a quick fix. Switch your encoder to hardware. At Encoder preset, you'll see options like Fastest and Faster. Give them both a whirl and see which one suits your setup best. For my fellow recorders out there, let's tweak the recording quality. I recommend setting it to medium file size for a balance between quality and performance. And don't forget to switch your video encoder to hardware as well. Hit Apply to lock in those changes. Next, jump over to the Advanced tab. This is crucial. Set your process priority to high. This little change can make a big difference. Hit Apply again. Still facing issues? Time to adjust your video settings. Try bringing your resolution down to 1208/720. Do the same for your output scaled resolution and set your FPS value to 30. These adjustments can significantly ease the load on OBS. If you've tried all that and still no luck, let's look outside OBS. Hit your Start menu. Type in Game Mode and Game Mode Settings. Open it up and make sure Game Mode is turned off. This might dip your gameplay frames a bit, but it gives OBS a necessary boost, especially when it's running in the background. And that's about it. If you find a fix that works for you from these suggestions, please share it in the comments. It'll help others too. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance. You don't want to end up with the lowest quality stream. Test out each tweak until you find what works without going overboard. I hope this guide brings you smoother streaming and recording sessions. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.